Good morning. We are in front of my cabin that I bought like, I don't know, 5 or so years ago. And it's so much work. It's so much work to be done. But let me show you this. Sometimes, you know, we have to look back and realize the work that has been done already. And let me tell you something about this well. This well, when I bought it, I couldn't even see it because the bush was all over. And then I started a renovation. It had a lot of holes, and look at it now. It's full of water. It's full of water. The point I'm trying to say is this: the well is also like a symbol for me, because in my life, because it has a full of holes, just like my life had lots of U-turns, and every U-turn made a big hole in a well of well-being. And this is a well of well-being because I open the hole with the chisel and I fill it up with pebbles and cement. And although physically I have done all the work, you know, I open every hole and fill it up with the gap with a pebble and cement. Physically, I fixed this well, but this is not just a well. This is well of well-being, and well-being of my life. Fixing the well-being of my life is this person. Mwah. Valerie.
You like a banana for well-being?
Yes, I'm ready for new work.
Let's do it.